Hey, what's up everybody? It's time to get back on the blue one. A lot of you have been asking where it's at, what stage it's in, so I'll give you a quick rundown on that. Here we go. Here it is. Here it is. Here's more of it. A piece or two. I believe that's part of it. So that's where the hood went. Hey, there's some more parts. I think this whole corner goes to it. At least they don't have too much dust on them. How did it get so dusty? Man, I hope I can get that off. That on goes right there. Looks good underneath. So as you can see, we're somewhere in the middle. So maybe that'll give you an idea where we're at on this project. We're scattered all over the place. So we're gonna get it together. We're gonna start doing one piece at a time. That's all we can do. We're gonna work on the engine a little bit, see how close to running we can get, and then we're gonna keep chugging along on the bodywork until we get it done. So thanks to everybody that's been hanging out with us. If you haven't subscribed, come on and subscribe. We'd love to have you over here. And keep hanging out with us, watching these videos. We'll see how far we can go with this one. Thanks for watching. We'll catch y'all next time.